So Walmart is open during this snowstorm, but they have no milk. Completely out of milk. How does that even go down? We got juice, no milk, got coffee sweeteners and all of this half shit, some eggnog. Oh, look at this. Shit is ridiculous. Hey man, you want some silk? I got some of that silk. They got lactate.
Oh.
Lactate's good, dude. I've had it before. My little brother's lactose intolerant, so we used to have to drink that shit all the time. Kind of sweet. Kind of tastes like, I don't know. I don't know. Fuck it. Whatever. This thing got strawberry milk and chocolate milk. Oh, this is crazy. How they run out of milk completely. Are you really gonna buy that gross ass shit? Lactate's good, man. It's got no lactose in it. It's just much more expensive. Shit makes no damn sense.
I like what is this? Yeah, fat free. There we go.
Shit's gross, man.
Look at all the shit it has though. It's so good for you.
Yeah, whatever.